video on how to install the latest version of Crash Landing Beta inside MultiMC. So first of all, download Crash Landing Beta from the latest in the FTB Crash Landing Beta thread in Reddit. Go to multimc.org and then go to the download and install section. Ignore this advertisement button. That's a troll. Go to download and install, get the Windows version or Mac version or whatever's the right one for you. Okay, so let's assume now you've got that installed and you've also downloaded your Crash Landing zip. And so what do we do now? So we want to create an instance inside MultiMC. This is the MultiMC interface. It's the leftmost button, add a new instance. We want this to be 1.6.4 of Minecraft. Alright, and so this won't do much right now. We then want to edit the instance. Actually, we want to edit mods. And we want to install Forge. This is a really important first step. And I'm going to take the latest version of Forge for 1.6.4, and that's the 965 version. Alright, that's added. Now another important step is to actually run this. So first of all let's name it, and we'll name it Crash Landing 1.1.2 Beta 2, and I'm going to keep a separate instance for each of my Crash Landing betas that I'm working with. Alright, let's go ahead and run it so we can get all the folders set up, and then we'll copy the contents of the zip file over into the folders that are created. Alright, that's good enough. We've got a working version with the latest version of the Forge mod loader. So now let's go to, we want to open the instance folder and go into Minecraft. This is the instance folder right here, 1.6.412. Go into Minecraft and you can see this is where we're going to store our mods and everything. Okay, so that's what I want on the right hand side of the screen. And then I also want to open up my zip for Crash Landing on the left side, and this is 7-zip here, or actually this is compressed folder tools that are built into the system. And then I'm going to delete config, mods, saves, and template from this folder because I don't want anything left over that shouldn't be there, and there's no template folder, right? So I just want to delete those three and then drag these four over. And I don't want them to go inside a folder, so drag them down. And we'll let all of those copy. And then we're going to start this up again. And we'll pretty much be complete. I'm going to just jump in here and run this. You can see Forge mod loader now is doing a lot more. One thing I didn't do though, that we'll probably have to do, is change the memory size. So let's let this get up here. In fact, there's no reason to even start it. I know it's going to get an out of memory error. So I'm just going to quit that and go to instance settings, and under Java you want to go to memory, and I don't worry about the minimum, but I'm going to set the max to 3 gigs. And permgen on modded Minecraft always needs to be more than that. And I generally start out at 128. If you give Java too much memory, it tends to slow things down because Java will take less time to take care of its garbage. So I like to start with less and then add more as I run into issues. Okay, so that really should get us now. We should be ready to go. So let's run this again. By the way, you gotta love Crash Landing, and the improvements that are being added are very exciting. Especially the generated towns, old ruined towns. And I'm just going to show you that this gets loaded up into the game. So now you can see we have our map that's already set in hardcore mode. We'll play the selected world. And here we are. Also, just worthy of note, let me just bump this up a little bit in resolution here. Read this sign and type /HQMQuest and not /HQM enable. That ruins it. Thank you very much.